Hardik Pandya, the dynamic Indian cricketer known for his explosive performances on the field, has taken his flair for life to new heights with his luxurious Mumbai residence. At just 31, this all-rounder has invested in a property that matches his success and taste for the finer things in life. Located in one of Mumbai's most upscale neighborhoods, his home is a true reflection of his remarkable career. Nestled in the posh Khar West locality, Hardik's apartment is situated within the exclusive Rustomjee Paramount Complex, a prime address in the city. Spanning an impressive 3,838 square feet, the property offers not just space but a luxurious living experience that perfectly aligns with Hardik's achievements. The apartment is designed with luxury in mind, featuring a range of high-end amenities that ensure comfort and indulgence. A private home theater offers a perfect cinema experience for family and friends, while the master bathrooms are equipped with modern fixtures for ultimate relaxation. The state-of-the-art gym allows Hardik to maintain his active lifestyle, and the spacious living area provides ample room for unwinding or entertaining guests. Additionally, the balcony garden offers a peaceful spot with panoramic views of the city, providing Hardik with a tranquil retreat where he can relax or even practice his cricket shots. The Rustomjee Paramount Complex is also home to several other high-profile personalities, making it one of the most sought-after addresses in Mumbai. Hardik shares his building with Bollywood stars like Disha Patani and Tiger Shroff, which contributes to a vibrant and exclusive community of celebrities. The design of Hardik's apartment strikes the perfect balance between contemporary aesthetics and personal taste. The home includes a guest room, a stylish dining area, and the aforementioned balcony garden. The interiors have been thoughtfully curated to offer both luxury and comfort, creating an ideal space for Hardik to unwind after a busy day. In addition to his Khar West residence, Hardik, along with his brother Kunal Pandya, also rents 3 luxurious Jodi apartments in the Lotus Empire Residency in Lower Parel. With a combined monthly rent of 7.5 lakh rupees, these sprawling spaces further complement the cricketer's extravagant lifestyle. Hardik's love for luxury extends beyond his home. His collection of high-end vehicles speaks volumes about his taste and passion for luxury. From a Lamborghini Huracan Evo to a Rolls-Royce Phantom truck, his cars reflect his dynamic and extravagant lifestyle. Hardik Pandya's Mumbai residence is a perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and modern living. With its strategic location in Khar West, world-class amenities, and celebrity neighbors, his home stands as a testament to his incredible success and personal style. Whether it's the carefully designed interiors or the proximity to Mumbai's vibrant entertainment industry, Hardik's home is the ultimate backdrop to his thriving career and exciting life.